Now this block of code, as you can see, is called main. Don't worry if you don't understand what all the other words around it are, as long as they're there. Public static void main, and in brackets string args. We'll get later on what these words mean. But this block of code is the first, and in this case only, block of code that's going to run when we execute our program. So our program now is going to display a little message to the terminal window. Now down here, the bottom half of the screen, you can see I've got 4 different options. Make sure that terminal is the one. This is our terminal or console window. This is where we're going to be able to type some input later, or in this case, display a message to the screen. That's our output. So to display a message, we only need one line of code. We always type System.out. We're displaying data outside of the program, and print means to display something to the screen. I'm also going to finish this with ln on the end, so this is short for print line. Then in brackets and then in speech marks, I'm going to write the message. So hello, world. Now I'm going to finish that statement with a semicolon. At the moment, in this little tab up here, you can see there's a little black circle. That tells me that this file has some unsaved work on it. So we can either go up to File, Save in the menu, or, as I'm more likely to do, press Ctrl and S, just a normal save function. Either way, that once it's saved, that little black dot disappears. At this point, you can go up to the menu and press Run, Start debugging, or press the keyboard shortcut for F5. You'll see something's happened down the bottom here. Don't worry about all this stuff in blue. That's something that's produced by default. What we're really looking for is the second to last line, which outputs our little message that we typed, hello world. If I now go back up into my code and replace hello world with goodbye, again I see the black dot, so I'm going to go Ctrl S or File Save, then press Run, Start debugging or F5, and now our output has changed from hello world to goodbye. And there you have it, your very first program in Java.